Your salvation is free, but it costs the giver so much. For by grace you have been saved through faith. And this is not of yourselves, this is a gift of God, not as a result of your good works, so that no one may boast before God. We are saved by grace, through faith alone, through Christ alone, never by our good works. Because it's not gonna be a grace kung gagawin natin by good works. Kaya if you're suffering from so much condemnation because your sin were exposed, Jesus says, carry kita, cover kita, ako bahala sa iyo. I know some of you nahihirapan dito sa ganitong sitwasyon, nahihirapan sa ganitong pagkakataon, but let me just ask you this question. Was there ever a time you feel na yung pagkakamali mo ay wala ng kapatawaran? When your sins are exposed, do you feel at times that there's so much guilt and shame, there's so much condemnation that you feel like wala na tong kapatawaran? Or maybe you're saying the grace of God is never enough. Hindi enough yung grace ni God for me to be set free. Well, let me tell you something. When Jesus died on the cross, He paid for our past sin, from all the way from Adam and Eve, our current sin, and our future sin. But that's not to say you're gonna keep on sinning. But that's to say that His death is enough for you and me. When you fully understand the grace of God, your reasonable act of worship is to offer our bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing before God. Kaya ngayon, yung mga ginagawa nating bad before, and naintindihan natin yung grace ni God, mahihiya kang gumawa ng mga bad things again. Grabe, hindi ko deserve binigay. What more can I ask for? So this woman was forgiven and free, but it's never free in terms of the cost. It cost God His one and only Son.